Guys, today we're going to be making homemade jelly fruits, like, you know, from TikTok and stuff. You've probably seen them. I'm here with my friend Josh from Fortunate Josh. That's his YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him. He's recording right now, but he'll be in the video soon. So the first thing we have right here is these Jellos that we just got from a random store. Yeah, we got plenty of flavors: orange, black cherry, lemon lime, and strawberry. We also have tape and plastic wrap. You'll see what those are for later on in the video.
Hey guys, I'm in the video or whatever now, after I've been recording him in the kitchen or whatever. So we're gonna do these little Jello thingies. We already opened our stuff. So we picked out our colors. So I put orange and lemon,
And
lime.
I got black cherry and strawberry.
So to make these, you need like a plastic wrap. You need some tape. And
The Jello.
that it? That's it, really.
We also have
Like scissors to cut them straight.
and
but-
spoons to get the Jello out. Yeah, and that's all you need. So I guess we can start trying to get the Jello.
Yeah, you can start.
I'm not gonna put like all of it because I don't want to waste all the Jello.
You put? Why do you do that?
That's good. That's a good piece. Yes.
Okay.
All right, here. Eat that Jello afterwards.
It's so like jello-y kind of is.
Oh, I wonder why.
Okay, so the best way to wrap them is to get the sides. So you get 1, 2, 3, and 4.
We just have to get all the corners together.
Yeah, literally.
Right.
And then you
Just
squeeze
keep on
them.
twisting them.
Yeah, make sure they're really tight. Cause like I feel like they're gonna explode.
Yeah, honestly.
It just feels so
It
weird.
gets so tight though.
And then you get a piece of tape. This is a brand new piece of tape, so it got the yellow thingy on it, or the red.
Yep, that's yellow.
Stick to the paper. Yeah. So that's how mine look like. You wanna make another one or?
Yeah, well, you can open your other flavor.
Okay.
We're gonna make a lot so we can play
Yeah.
hit or miss.
This.
We're gonna cut this off, all of this.
Yeah, so it can like look.
But first, let's
realistic.
make all of them.
Okay, let's like
Try to
just-
use all your other colors too, though. The green and stuff.
Oh, okay. So this is the orange one that I opened. Now I'm gonna open the plastic wrap. So
Yeah, I
can-
need plastic wrap.
Okay. Do the little trick.
All right, there we go. I'm gonna do
Oh, my plastic is getting all tangled up.
plastic now.
You want me to cut it for you?
Yes, please.
Okay.
All right, there.
Let me grab this.
Over here. I'm gonna have to eat so much jelly. Just like, yeah.
I messed up your thing. Is it really bad?
No, there was just a little cut.
It's crooked. Okay.
Alright, whatever. I'm gonna get some jello out.
I didn't.
I feel like you have the most interesting colors. I mean, the red is cool, but they're both red. Yeah. Pizza. I'm actually gonna make a giant one. Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna look real dumb. Okay, so I'm just gonna get like a scoop because I don't want to
Can
try
we
it.
freeze one?
I mean, you can try it. It can be like a test.
Yeah.
So like I said, wrap all the corners
Oh shoot.
together. Because if you don't do that, it will disperse at one. So,
On one side, and then it won't be good.
so you twist it tight, really tight. Make sure no like openings.
I'm gonna need the tape.
Where's the tape? Okay, there you go. Can you tape?
I'm excited to eat these.
Yeah, me too.
We're still gonna have to make a lot.
Yeah, but
That's why we're making smaller ones, but we're making a big one.
if we make a whole bunch, that'll be awesome.
Yeah. Okay.
Yours look like the grape kind. Like just.
I'm just tightening it more, just in case.
Yeah, the tighter the better. Put it around it. Okay.
Can you do that with mine too? Cause like, mine's unpleasant.
Done on purpose, but I didn't realize it. Uh-oh, I kind of stick.
Alright, there we go. It's good enough for huge. Alright, now I'm gonna make a lot of small. I'm gonna use orange as well.
So we're gonna make smaller ones
too. I'm gonna get the spoon. Actually, I need my plastic too.
Yeah, let me leave it.
Sorry guys, the camera shut off.
Yeah, it had died. Or not, well, it didn't die, but like, it just like.
But luckily, we were able to hear the sound, so.
Yeah, so we left off on these two already being made and your brother's ones.
Yeah.
Anyways.
So right now I'm cutting another sheet. Can you cut it? It's folding, and I don't want it to.
Yeah, like unfold it while I cut it. I'm just gonna go zoom like a haircut. 1, 2, 3. Am I cutting it?
No.
It was illusion.
Here you go. I'll put yours. Hold on, I'm just doing this. Oh,
this
man.
is the proper way to unwrap it.
Oh, that's not the proper way to cut it. Alright. Try to get small jello so we can have more, because I'm not trying to.
It really doesn't matter at this point. Like, how I cut it.
It doesn't matter because I bought these jellos and these jellos are delicious, man.
So it's getting so
okay.
One time it folded around my finger and I couldn't. I was racing.
Ooh, okay. Can you put the tape? Or like try to put the tape like near.
I'm a big boy.
Yeah, you can do red if you want.
Okay.
Alright. I'll do green. I'll just like scoop this out without any. Can I get that when you're done?
What?
The sheet thing. Thank you. What did I do to?
So I got an Instagram and I just posted like a picture of me like smiling and then holding.
It's very dumb. Yeah.
Yeah. It was when the camera turned off, so I got bored and just posted a picture. And so you can go check that out on Bastin Josh. So yeah, I made my thing because like my middle name is Sebastian, so I just took the back.
Really?
Yeah. Oh. Okay, so that's mine.
I'm gonna get the spoon.
Okay, I don't want to make it tighter. It's gonna pop. We're also gonna cut the tips because like this looks ugly.
Yeah, it looks kind of dumb. I used all my black cherry on this giant fruit jelly.
Okay, let's wrap this baby around. If you haven't seen our other video, our collab together with the little gingerbread house, go check out my channel.
Don't check out his channel. Stay on this channel. Just kidding. Or am I? Yeah. Well, go check out his channel. Yeah, we did a collab. Gingerbread, his best video because I was on it.
Can I do a mix?
Yeah. I mean, that's like our last. Actually, no. If I mix all of them together.
So I got 3, and then the last one can be like a mix. So
I'm gonna mix mine with red. If there's any left.
You take some.
Yeah.
The ghetto.
The ghetto.
Yeah, because you know, like,
oh my gosh.
I ain't trying to get 200 on TikTok, so you can go ahead and, you know. It is LaFort Josh. It should pop up on the screen. What are you doing?
Yep. Okay.
Just kind of shake it so it doesn't kind of like. Oh my god, it's wrapping around my finger. Don't do that, because I'm gonna get mad.
It's really
too loud. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. You know what, all of it. You can just mix.
I'll use red and green, unless you're gonna use.
I'm gonna use a little bit of red.
Okay.
I just take a half.
All right.
These are looking good.
Oh my gosh. Okay. gonna put some. This.
I'm just gonna like wait for you. Yay! Oh my god!
Wait. Put a lot of green. Okay. Whoa, mine looks cool. Look at that. Dog's here.
Hey, little Yorkie.
I don't know if you can see this, but it's like a blend with green and red, and then there's yellow.
Can dogs have Jello?
I don't know. I wouldn't try it. And I'm too lazy to look it up. So.
Yeah. Yeah.
But that doesn't mean anything.
I saw this TikTok when a person, but it has 5 calories. I saw a TikTok when a person accidentally let their dog had a 5-hour like energy drink, and then in a few seconds, not even a minute, dog was like going crazy. We were actually supposed to have other people to come with us today, but you know, fortunately, things didn't work out.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
You said fortunately.
Oh my god. I didn't even finish that. Unfortunately.
Unfortunate, Josh.
They couldn't come. So yeah, things just didn't work out.
Okay. How many do you have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 9.
Total.
Uneven, but okay.
We can all try each other's now before we get cutting the top.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna pop.
don't do it no more.
When your face stops,
Okay. So these are all mine.
Oh man, this one's not whatsoever.
Okay, hold on. Let me make a TikTok because this is worth a TikTok. Okay. Wait, we have to cut the tips of them.
Man, why are none of these tightened? Alright, there we go. Cool. I'm like you.
Wait, what? They look like little balls. They don't even look cool anymore. Don't know, that's too short, Are you trying?
Yeah.
Let me record this bottom like a shoe, and then you can start.
Okay.
Ready? Get you at the frame. Oh, I forgot it's supposed to be vertical.
Okay. Tell me when.
Go. I'm gonna do the dance. Hold on. I have to do share my breath to everybody to see how it smells. I forgot we were recording. We were just in our moment.
Alright, Alright. One of those are mine. I think it's this one. That one.
So this is for y'all. So, ready? I'm scared.
Alright, hit or miss.
Yeah.
Wait, do we do the giant ones for TikTok? I don't know.
You can.
I'm not. I'm gonna do giant one for YouTube. Okay.
I don't want.
Alright.
I'm scared. 3, 2, 1.
Hit or miss. Let's go.
This was a miss. I'm at a hit.
Yeah, me too.
If you suck the plastic, it just comes out.
That's good.
I'm scared for this one.
Like they say, it's fire.
These are fake. Alright, ready?
Oh my gosh, no. Alright. 3,
2, 1. Not doing this.
Let's go. It's a hit.
This just went down my throat. I didn't even bite into it. That's how thin it is. You just suck on it.
I bit into it because it's fun to like.
These are delicious.
You want it? It's better to just eat it with the plastic like here.
Anyways, that was easy and cheap.
That was good.
Okay, next one's on TikTok.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this on my draft to post it like later.
What is this one? Okay. Let me do that.
Okay, should we? Oh, listen.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. It was fun to make these and hope you enjoyed. So see ya.